Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Physics Passion. In today's video, I am going to discuss regarding energy. Okay, so what is energy? The energy of a body is defined as its capacity of doing the work. The capacity with which it does the work, that is called the energy of the body. So how we measure it? This is nothing but the total amount of work done by a body. That is what energy means. If I see the units of energy, simply units of work, simply in MKS system it is joule and in CGS system it is arcs. If I talk of types of energy, it is of two type. It may be kinetic energy, it may be potential energy. So total energy possessed by the body, that is the sum of these two types of energies, kinetic as well as potential. Now I will discuss these two energies one by one. So first, kinetic energy. It is the energy possessed by a body due to its motion. If a body is moving, the due to its motion, the energy possessed is its kinetic energy. You may take an example of a bullet which is moving with high velocity, that possess a huge amount of kinetic energy due to its motion, due to which it strikes or penetrates the target. Mathematically, this kinetic energy is given as half mv square, where m is the mass of the body and v is the velocity of the body. One another point I would like to add, work done by a force acting on a body is equal to the change in kinetic energy of the body. Okay, work done is simply equal to the change in kinetic energy of the body. Next is potential energy. It is defined as the energy stored in the body by virtue of its position or configuration. So the body which is at rest, that will possess the potential energy. For example, a book on a table, it has potential energy due to its position, and a compressed spring, that has a potential energy due to its configuration. Fine. Uh, One more addition to this potential energy, that is gravitational potential energy. It is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position in the gravitational field, and it is equal to m into g into h, where m is the mass of the body, g is the acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height of the body above the ground. So you may also define it as the work done in raising a body to a height from the ground. So it is equal to m into g into h. This is gravitational potential energy. Now I have a problem here on kinetic energy. First, let me read out this. A bullet of mass 0.03 kg moving with a speed 400 meter per second penetrates 12 centimeter into a fixed block of wood. Okay. Calculate the average force exerted by the wood block on the bullet. It should be wood block over here or simply block. Fine. So see the solution. First of all, we have to calculate its change in its kinetic energy. So for that, mass of the bullet is 0.03 kg as given. Initial velocities of the bullet is 400 meter per second. Final velocity, when it penetrates into the block, it would come to rest. The final velocity of the bullet, that is 0. So if I calculate the change in kinetic energy, half mv square, that will be the first of all initial velocity, that will be half mv square, and as final velocity is 0, so change in kinetic energy if I calculate, that would be half mv square, mean initial velocity, this is the initial energy, and final energy is 0, so change in kinetic energy will be half m 400 square minus 0, it would come out to be 2400 joules. So this is change in kinetic energy. Now I have mentioned during the video, during the lecture, that change in kinetic energy is equal to the work done. So if F is the force exerted by the block on the bullet, then work done by the bullet on the block would be, work done by the bullet will be F force into distance moved 0.12 joule. So work done is equal to change in kinetic energy, F into 0.12 equal to 2400. So from here we get F equal to 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton. So this is the average force exerted by the wood block on the bullet. Okay, so I think you would like this video. Thanks for watching. Let me add one more thing. If you want me to post a video on a specific topic, you just comment in the comment section. You can also send an email. Email ID is given in the description box. You can also visit our website for a specific requirement. Link is also there in the description box. So thank you very much.